This website right here could make you $500, and you can build it yourself in just 15 minutes. Sounds crazy? Well, let me show you step by step how I built it in real time using nothing but AI. Before we build a website, let me show you what a website needs to be worth $500. First, it should look clean and professional with modern design. It usually has at least 4 sections: a homepage, services, about, and a contact form. These don't have to be separate pages, they can just be sections that scroll smoothly. It also has to be mobile optimized, so it looks good on a phone. And finally, a bit of basic SEO, like page titles and descriptions, so Google can find it. That's it. That's what most small business owners are happy to pay for. Okay, now let me show you how to build the website. The program is called Replit. Click the link in the description, create a free account, and you'll get $10 in Replit credits, enough to build your first few websites for free. Okay, now you can see the prompt box. To create the website, you're going to type something like, "Build a modern website for a plumbing business in Las Vegas." I like the plan and I don't want to change it. Then click on Start with a Design, so you can still edit the website later. Okay, 5 minutes later, and this is what it built. You can already see how good the website looks. It made a services section, reviews, service areas, and a contact form. Even the footer looks solid. But not everything is perfect yet. For example, the Learn More buttons aren't aligned. Instead of fixing code manually like 5 years ago, we can just ask Replit to fix it. I'm going to take a screenshot and say, make sure every Learn More button is on the same level. After not even a minute of work, it's done and all buttons are aligned now. But as you can see, the button itself isn't working. You can click it, but nothing happens. So again, I'm taking a screenshot and telling it to make the buttons functional. And 30 seconds later, they work perfectly. Now I want it to create an entire About page because there isn't really one right now. Good. I think we can leave it like that. Want to see something crazy right now? We can tell it to optimize the entire website for mobile format. That means in minutes, we can not only view it on a PC, but also on the phone. And we can do the same for the SEO too. And here is what the finished website looks like. I think you can see the potential here. We basically created an entire website plus mobile optimization in just 15 minutes. The future is here, guys. Don't miss out on this. Subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date and not miss out on future ways to make money. See you in the next one.